In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI chatbots with DeepSeek using this 2025 guide. First, log into the DeepSeek website and open the chat. To start building your bot, type clear prompt like create a custom chatbot for customer support or whatever purpose you need. DeepSeek will then ask for details to describe your bot's personality, tone, and the type of questions it should handle. You can also upload documents or FAQs so the bot can learn specific information. After that, ask DeepSeek to generate examples replies for a full conversation style so you can refine how your bot talks. If you want it more friendly, more formal, or more detailed, just tell DeepSeek to adjust the responses. Once everything sounds right, you can ask for integration instructions if you plan to use the bot on a website or app. And that's it.